Hello, you guys, and welcome back. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and of course, do make sure that you do share this video. So, Some actor Hungani Ndlovu announces his divorce from his wife of 6 years, Stephanie Ndlovu, and in a joint statement released on Sunday, the 22 of June. The couple, both renowned actors who have been married for 6 years, announced their divorce. The two said they had mutually decided to end their marriage. After much speculation, the two are getting a divorce. The statement which they released reads as follows: Would like to take a moment to address the speculation surrounding our relationship. After much thoughts, reflection, and conversation, we have mutually decided to part ways and end our marriage. While we had hoped to share this news at a time that felt right for us, the unfortunate early release by the media has prompted us to speak sooner than we had planned. Though our marriage is ending, our friendship is not. We are committed to showing up as a united team for our beautiful daughter, raising her with the same care, intention, and joy she has always known. We're incredibly grateful for the love and support you've shown us, especially through the Ndlovu's Uncut. During this deeply personal time, we kindly ask for privacy, grace, and compassion for our family. With love and gratitude, Hungani and Stephanie. Well, there you have it, you guys. Hungani, Ndlovu, and Stephanie are getting a divorce.